Hello student, now this is the last video of nomenclature and IUPAC system. This is only for competitive examination, not for board examination. Okay, naming of bicyclo and spiro compounds. The first the compound is bicyclo, then after spiro. Okay, now how to consider that this is a bicyclo compound? So now first you check this structure. Clear? There is a two cyclic structure. First is this and the second is this. Clear? There is a two structure. It means this is a bicyclo. So this is a bridgehead carbon. Clear? Dark point is a bridgehead carbon. Now how to write? First you write prefix. Prefix means bicyclo. Prefix means suppose you have a substituent is there. So first you write down the substituent. It means prefix. And then after bicyclo, and what is XYZ? What is XYZ? And first you learn the formula, then after we discuss about X, what is X and what is Y and what is Z. This is dot. Okay. Now then after word root, how many carbon is there? Then after suffix primary and suffix secondary. Okay. So now suppose you have this formula. So first you check, first you find what is the value of X, Y and Z. So first you consider this is a bridgehead carbon, yeah, this or this bridgehead carbon. Now first you consider which side maximum carbon is there. देखो, this is bridgehead carbon, so first you consider from this side, then after this side or this side. So in this side, X means maximum number of carbon, Y means then after X and then after Z. Okay, so now in this side there is a 2 free carbon, in this side there is a 2 free carbon, and the center is only 1 carbon. Clear? Now first we discuss about this structure, because this is a full explanation of this. So now this is a bridgehead carbon, yeah, this side 3 free carbon, 1 2 and 3, and this side only 2 carbon free, and the center is only 1, है ना? So X is more number of carbon, this is 3 free carbon, and that side 2 free carbon, and Z is 1. Clear? So X is maximum carbon is there. Then after Y, then after Z. So first you write X value, then Y, then Z. Okay. So now there is a 3 carbon free, and then after 2 carbon, and then after 1. So first we count from that side. Okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the last is 8. Center is 8. Okay, clear? Then same, this is a bridgehead carbon. So there is a 2 free carbon, there is only 1 carbon, and Z is no free carbon. So Z is 0. Clear? So now the IUPAC name. Okay, now first there is a bridgehead carbon. So there is a 2 carbon free, and this is also free. So now the value of X is 2 and Y is 2 and Z is 1. So देखो bicyclo. Then the simple bracket, rounded bracket, 2, there is a 2 free carbon, there is a 2 free carbon, 2.2, and Z is 1. Yeah, and how many carbon? 7. It means heptane. Clear? The same thing, this is a bridgehead carbon. Yeah, this is a bridgehead. Now there is a 3 free carbon, this is a value of X, there is a 2 free carbon, this is a value of Y, and the last is Z, the 1. So now this is a bicyclo, 3 free carbon, then 2, then 1, and the how many carbon in main chain? Octane. Clear? The same thing, this is a bridgehead carbon. Yeah, this is a bridgehead carbon. There is a 2 free carbon, there is 1, and Z is 0. So देखो bicyclo, X is 2, Y is 1, and Z is 0. There is no carbon because this bond connected with this. Okay. Now how many carbon? There is a 5 carbon. It means pentane. So now first you consider कि bridgehead carbon, then after maximum carbon on which side. So we count from that side. Okay. Now the next is 1. There is a 2 free carbon. This is also 2 free carbon, and center is 2 free carbon. Okay. So now 3 sides 2 free carbon. Okay. So first you consider which side has maximum carbon. So there is a 2, there is a 2, but this side is a substituent. So the formula is what? Prefix. The prefix is what? substituent. So first in this side, count from this side, 1 2 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. Center always, center counting हमेशा लास्ट में होगा. ओके, ऑलवेज इन लास्ट. ओके, तो नाउ देयर इज अ 2 मिथाइल. Clear? This is a prefix substituent. Then after bicyclo, and there's a 2 free carbon 2, and also 2 free carbon 2. This is a X, this is a Y, and center there's a 2 free carbon 2.2.2. This is a dot, not comma. And how many carbon? 8 carbon. It means octane. Clear? Same thing for this. So this is a bridgehead carbon. So this is a 2 free carbon, this is a 2 free carbon, center is 1. So now the first you consider from this side, so 1 methyl, then after bicyclo, then 2 2 1 heptane, 7 carbon. Same thing for this. There's a 2 free carbon, there's a 2 free carbon, center is 1. But in this side there's a substituent to count from this side. So 1 2 3, 3 methyl, this is bicyclo, and there's a 2 free carbon, 2 free carbon, and center is 1. So 2 2 1, and 7 carbon is heptane. And same thing for this. So 1, there's a 2 free carbon, there's a 1 carbon, there's a 1 carbon. The count from this side is, there's also a substituent. So 2 ethyl, this is a ethyl, 3 methyl, bicyclo, 2 2 1, sorry, 2 1 1, 2 1 1, and 6 carbon is hexane. And same thing for this. This is a bridgehead carbon. There's a 2 free carbon, there's a 2 free carbon, but there's a substituent to count from this side. So 3 4 dimethyl bicyclo, 2 2 2, 2 2 2, and 8 carbon is octane. Yeah. No. But there's a wrong counting. Counting from this side, 1 2, because the substituent is near from this side. So 1 2, 1 2. This is not a 3 4. 1 2 dimethyl bicyclo, 2 2 2 octane. Clear? Now this is a bridgehead carbon. Same side there is a substituent. This is also substituent. So you count from both sides. So 1 2 3 4. So X is what? 1. Y is what? 1, and Z is no carbon, no free carbon, is 0, butane. Same thing for this. But you consider कि which side is maximum carbon. देखो, there is a 1 free carbon, there is a 2 free carbon, so you count from that side. First you long free carbon is there, मतलब जहां पर आपको free space ज्यादा दिखे तो first you count from that side. यहाँ पे भले ही substituent हो, देखो there is a only 1 free carbon, there is a 2 free carbon. So first you consider X value. X is a maximum carbon, फ्री स्पेस मैक्सिमम कार्बन. तो 1 2, तो देखो पहले काउंटिंग मैंने इस साइड से किया है, 1 2 3 4 5. तो नाउ देयर इज अ 5. तो फर्स्ट यू कंसिडर प्रीफिक्स सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. तो 5 मिथाइल बाइसाइक्लो, 2 देयर इज अ 2 फ्री कार्बन, देन 1, देन 0. यहां से करोगे तो एक्स की वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी. एक्स इज व्हाट? मैक्सिमम फ्री कार्बन. नाउ यहां पे हमने सबसे पहले किसको फोकस किया था? मैक्सिमम फ्री कार्बन. स्पाइरो इज जस्ट अपोजिट. देखो यहां पर क्या है, 2 कार्बन के साथ कनेक्शन हो रहा है, बट स्पाइरो ओनली 1 कार्बन इन सेंटर. क्लियर? तो ना हाउ टू राइट द फर्स्ट प्रीफिक्स सब्स्टिट्यूएंट, देन स्पाइरो, एंड देयर इज ओनली अ एक्स वाई. यहां पे देखो 3 थे, यहां पे ओनली 2 है. एक्स वाई, एक्स इज लेस कार्बन एंड वाई इज मैक्सिमम कार्बन, एंड वर्ड रूट एंड सफिक्स पी. तो देखो काउंटिंग कहां से होगी. देखो यहाँ पे कितने फ्री कार्बन है, 1 2 3 4. यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4, तो कहीं से भी कर सकते हो. तो काउंटिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड, क्योंकि यहां से नहीं कर सकते, यहां से करोगे तो 1 2 3 4 5, फिर यहीं पे आना पड़ेगा. तो जहां पे आपको ये सेंटर दिख रहा है, दिस इज अ मेन, दिस इज अ स्पाइरो 2 साइक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर अटैच विद 1 कार्बन. तो देखो यहां से काउंट करो, 1 2 3 4. तो फर्स्ट यू कंसिडर दिस इज अ स्पाइरो कंपाउंड. तो स्पाइरो, देयर इज अ नो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट. Spiro, and X is what? Free carbon. 1 2 3 4. From this 1 2 3 4, this is also 1 2 3 4, and 9 carbon is there. It means nonane. Okay, now in this case this is a full explanation. देखो there is a 3 free carbon, there is a 1 2 3 4 free carbon. So first you consider small ring, and this is a spiro form. So spiro, and there's a 3 free carbon, 1, 2, 3, and there's a 5 free carbon, 3.5, and 9 carbon means nonane. The same thing, first you consider from this side because substituent is there. So 1 methyl, there's a 1, 2, 3 free carbon, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4 free carbon. So first you consider small ring. And there's also substituent, the 1 methyl spiro, there's a 3 free carbon, 1, 2, 3, so 3, and there's a 4 free carbon, dot 4, and 8 carbon is octane. And now in this case there's a 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon free and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon free. So first you consider small ring. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 यहाँ से नहीं करोगे because 6, 7, 8, 9 में आएगा ना. So now the substituent is near from this side. So 7 methyl spiro, there's a 4 free carbon means 4, there's a 5 free carbon, it means dot 5, and 10 carbon means decane. The same thing for this small ring, first you consider, then after long ring. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, then 6, not this side because 5, 6, 7, 8 na. So this is a 6, 6 is near. So 6 methyl spiro, 3.5 nonane, there's a 3 free carbon, there's a 5 free carbon. The same thing for this 2 methyl, this is small ring, 2 methyl spiro, there's a 3 free carbon, there's a 5 free carbon, 3.5 nonane. Same thing for this and same for this. Okay, first you consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 1 dash methyl ethyl, okay, spiro, 3.4 octane. Same for this, same for this. But in this case there's a 2 same group, it means bis group is there. Okay, now suppose you have any problem, then call me. Okay, now same for this. Clear? Now this is a full explanation of spiro and bicyclo compound, and this is the last lecture of nomenclature and IUPAC system. Suppose you have any problem, then call me. Okay, clear?